Welcome aboard this beautiful 1980 Gulfstar 50 Ketch, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Gulfstar 50 is a well-regarded blue water cruiser that has captured the attention of sailing enthusiasts for its robust design, excellent sailing characteristics, and comfortable living space. Designed for stability and comfort, which translates to a smooth sailing experience, its heavy displacement and deep V hull makes it less susceptible to being knocked around in rough seas, making it a solid choice for offshore passages. The encapsulated, long fin keel design and skeg-hung rudder ensures durability while enhancing stability and tracking, making it well suited for offshore sailing and cruising. The boat features a solid fiberglass hull which provides durability and a strong foundation for long voyages. As a ketch-rigged sailboat, the vessel features two masts, a main mast and a shorter mizzen mast. The rigging configuration provides several advantages, particularly for cruising sailors. The ketch rig allows for larger sail area spread out over multiple sails, providing better balance and ease of handling, especially in heavier winds. The ability to adjust the balance of the boat by changing the trim of the mizzen allows for a more comfortable sailing experience. This is particularly beneficial in changing wind conditions. The ketch rig also tends to reduce heel, improving stability, which can be especially appreciated by those cruising long distance. Stepping aboard is easy onto the wide side decks on either side. The deck is spacious and allows for easy movement while underway or at anchor, and the handrails are conveniently located along the cabin top for safety. Moving forward, the clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the ideal vertical windlass and easy access to the windlass controls. The deck area is also large enough for a few folding chairs and makes this the perfect place to watch the sunset. The cabin top forward of the main mast has enough room for cushions to lay out and enjoy the sun, or to store a large dinghy. At the stern is a sizable aft deck that can accommodate a couple of chairs for relaxing by the grill that's mounted on the stern rail. The large lazarette box is more than adequate to store deck gear and other equipment such as scuba gear. The cockpit is spacious and well protected, allowing for comfortable sailing and relaxation, and provides safety and security at sea and on anchor. The view forward is excellent, and when stretched out comfortably on the seat while on watch, you still have an unobstructed view over the decks. The center teak table is easy to set up and provides adequate space for meals and drinks. A standout feature on this boat is that all the sheets lead to a winch by the helm, and every sheet, along with the jib furler, can be controlled while standing behind the helm, making it easy for one person to tack and jibe this big boat. Sailing instruments are mounted in pods on the Yacht Specialties pedestal, and there are mounts added for two chart plotters. There is a Danforth Constellation compass, and the engine and transmission controls are easy to access. Next to the helm is the autopilot controller and engine instruments. The Teak companionway is wide and open with beautiful plexiglass windows in the doors. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting teak interior with beautiful teak and holly cabin soles throughout. The interior on a Gulfstar 50 is known for its roomy accommodations, with a generous main salon with ample headroom and large windows and hatches that allow excellent airflow through the boat at anchor. To port is a U-shaped settee around a large table. Fuel tanks and water tanks are under the cabin sole, which leaves all of the room under and behind the settees available for storage. The beautiful teak table has a folding leaf and can comfortably seat 8 people. To starboard is a settee which is 80 inches long and can serve as an additional berth. Forward of the starboard settee is a sizable locker that is significantly deep and provides excellent room for sail storage. One of the excellent upgrades to this boat are the newfound metal stainless steel ports. This Gulfstar 50 is the 2-cabin version, which features a sizable L-shaped navigation station with excellent space and storage. Any cook would appreciate this large and efficient L-shaped galley. The beautiful solid surface countertops are an upgrade to this boat and offers fiddles for security in a seaway and a deep sink that is close to the center line of the vessel. There is a 3-burner stainless steel stove and oven, and the in-counter refrigerator and freezer are giant and will provide plenty of cold food storage for your trips to the islands. It has ample storage for food and utensils and more than enough counter space to prepare multi-course meals. The passageway from the galley to the aft cabin is where the boat's electrical panels have been located and have been updated to modern Blue Sea system panels. The large and comfortable aft cabin has plenty of storage and offers comfort and convenience with its large U-shaped berth that can be utilized as 2 twin berths or as a side-to-side double berth. This cabin features a private, spacious head with storage and its own separate shower. Forward, there is a full stateroom with a generous V-berth with ample storage space and drawers below. To each side are hanging lockers and more drawers to starboard. The cabin features a private entrance to the forward head. The forward head has an entrance off the salon, is spacious, and also includes a shower. Access to a large engine room is through the forward engine room door under the companionway, giving excellent access to the front of the engine and the generator. There is an additional engine room door on the port side, giving excellent access to the after the engine room, providing exceptional access for maintenance. The boat is well powered with a Perkins diesel engine that produces 85 horsepower. Additionally, the generator is a 8 kilowatt Fischer Panda with only 92 hours on it. With its solid build, spacious interior, and balanced sail plan, the Gulfstar 50 Ketch stands out as a reliable choice for long-distance cruising and leisurely voyages. To book your appointment to view this 1980 Gulfstar 50, contact Little Yacht Sales.